Okay. In the last class, we studied complementary angles of trigonometry. In this class, we solve these problems by the help of complementary angles. Just we recall what we studied in the last class and we'll come to this exercise because today is Monday. We discussed sorted. Okay. Now see complementary angles. Sine of 90 minus theta is always equals to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is always equals to sin theta. And tan 90 minus theta is always equals to cot theta. And also we studied cosec 90 minus theta is always equals to sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta is always equals to cosec theta. And cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta is always equals to tan theta. These 6 formulas help us to solve these problems. See the first one. 11.3 exercise, first problem, tan 36 degrees divided by cot 54 degrees. Okay. Here I have tan 36 degrees. Tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Okay. Here I have to change any one of it without changing their values. That is very, very important. See here, cot 54 degrees is there and tan 36 degrees. 36 plus 54, 90. I told you clearly complementary angles. They will give this type of problems by the help of complementary angles. Sum of any two angles must be 90 degrees. Because these complementary angles are acute angles. Okay. I would like to write tan as it is first. The 36 degrees I would like to write in terms of 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54 how much? 36. I taken tan as it is and 36 I retain in terms of 90 minus 54 is nothing but 36 only. Is divided by cot 54 I would like to write as it is. Now coming to the formulas. Tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. Okay. This is my tan 90 minus theta. This directly transfer into cot 54. Tan transfer into cot is divided by, already we have cot 54. Both get cancelled. I will get answer. What? In the similar manner, I would like to try second problem. See the second problem. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. This is my one more problem. By observing these two, this angle is 12 and this angle is 78. 78 plus 12 we gain 90. Because these two are complementary. Now, I would like to write cos as it is. 12 in terms of 90 minus 78. 90 minus 78 is nothing but 12. Minus sin 78 degrees I would like to write as it is. We will change any one of it and we transfer cos into sin. See, cos 90 minus theta.
Sin.
Very good. So sin theta, my theta is 78 here. We have to recognize my theta every time from the formula. Minus sin again 78 degrees. Sin 78 and 7 sin 78 get cancelled. Equals to 0. Now coming to the third problem, you try same, and I would like to solve both problems. This is in minus, you tried, here I have product, I will try this one. Every time keep in mind these 6 complementary angles in terms of sin and cos or tan and cot help us to solve every problem from this exercise. Now it's coming to sin of 15 degrees. This is my third problem or fourth problem? Yes, fourth problem. Sec 7. I would like to change any one of it. I told you so many times. 15 plus 70. 90 again because both are complementary. Oh, now sin I would like to write it as it is. 90 minus 75. 90 minus 75 is nothing but 15 degrees into sec 75 degrees. Now you can sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So sin transfer into cos. Here sin transfer into cos of angle 75 degrees into this is my sec 75 degrees. But the very very important formula already explained first class. Sin theta into cosec theta is always equals to 1 because these two are inverses. At the same time, cos theta into sec theta is always equals to 1. Therefore, cos theta we can write in terms of sec theta. This is multiplied, will go this side, it divides. So cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta. So here I have cos 75 degrees. You can write 1 by sec 75 degrees. Do you understand my point? Cos here we have 75 degrees. Here we can write 75 degrees by the formula. So by using that concept, cos 75 degrees, we can write this 1 by sec 75 degrees into we have sec 75 degrees. Both get cancelled, we get 1. Similarly, you try this one. These two are inverse ratios. Okay.